Hello, so today in this video I'm going to show you the cheapest computer in the world. This video is really helpful for the students who have no enough money to buy a computer, for the teachers who are teaching in very remote places of the world where there is no electricity. This is for those people who can't afford the computer. In Africa and other countries there are lots of kids who haven't seen a computer. There are lots of teachers who teach Microsoft Word, Paint in board drawing with chalk or marker. This video is really helpful for those teachers and students. To know it, watch the full video till the end. Basically, this computer CPU is made by UK-based company Raspberry Foundation. It is like size of credit card. In that computer, you can do a lot of things like coding, programming, use Linux operating system, learn ethical hacking, run Windows in that computer. It is really helpful for those students who are studying robotics. They can use it for the project purposes. Even make your old TV into smart TV. It has all type of connectivity like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, keyboard, mouse port. One of the fascinating things is that it runs from the power bank or mobile phone charger too. It is so portable and can be used in any remote places of the world. It is really cheap, which just cost $30 to $35. This Raspberry Pi computer is really power efficient. It has USB 3.0 for the data transfer. It is available in 1GB, 2GB and 4GB variant. You can choose as per your requirements. It supports 4K HDMI display. You can make your TV as a monitor too. For storage, you can put the memory card or SD card too. You can plug in keyboard, mouse, headphone and get ready for usage. One of the best thing of this computer, it has general purpose input or output port. It can be used to connect microcontroller to other electronic devices, help in making projects for engineering. It supports loads of all programming languages like C++, C++, Java, Python. Actually, this Raspberry Pi is really great tool for the student and geek who want to do project work. Even you can install Linux operating system and use as a computer to run custom-made things like TV, home appliances too. No matter how fast and versatile this Raspberry Pi is, but it can't overtake the real computer. It is not so fast as comparatively to other PC. You can also connect the SSD to use it as a third-party hardware. Lots of heavy tasks it can't do. Sometimes you may face overheating. There is no an external source to decrease the heat. If you give overload tasks to it, then you may feel overheating. But this is really rare and minor cases. Raspberry Pi do not support Windows 64-bit. This computer is really helpful for those people who can't afford the computer. It is designed for the educational purposes, especially for the project work. Moreover, it can be used to teach in a school for the parents programming languages. You can get a compact computer that can link the whole world through via of internet. It also supports Wi-Fi too. Even you can use for the checking email or surfing internet, just random office work too. So that's for today. If you like this video, subscribe this channel, hit like button and thanks for watching. See you next video. Goodbye.